In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a still photo in Canva. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair to a personal project or create engaging content for social media, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of transforming your static images into captivating animations. To start, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't used it before, Canva is a versatile design platform that makes it easy to create stunning visuals. Once you're inside the Canva dashboard, you can either create a new template or choose from the many pre-made options available. This flexibility allows you to tailor your project precisely to your needs, ensuring that you have the perfect backdrop for your animated photo. Next, it's time to choose a size for your project. Depending on your purpose, Canva offers different dimensions for social media posts, presentations, and more. Selecting the right size from the start will ensure that your animated photo looks its best on any platform. Now, head to the Upload section in the left-hand menu. Here, you can insert any image you want to animate. This could be a photo from your last vacation or a piece of artwork that would benefit from a hint of movement. Drag your chosen image onto the canvas and use the corner dots to resize it to fit your template. Make sure your image is positioned just how you like it before moving on to the next steps. With your image ready, click on the Edit button at the top of the page. This will open up a range of editing tools, including one called Magic Grab. Magic Grab is a handy feature in Canva that allows you to select and isolate objects within your image. Click on Magic Grab and a highlight will appear. Simply click on the object within your image that you want to animate. Once you've selected the area you'd like to bring to life, you'll notice a grab option. Click on this, and you'll be able to move the highlighted section around. Now it's time to add some animation by clicking on the Animate button. Canva provides a variety of animation effects, so experiment with them to find the one that best suits your creative vision. After selecting your desired animation, adjust the scale of the effects as needed. This gives you control over how subtle or dramatic the animation should appear. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to finalize your project. To share your newly animated photo, click on Share in the upper right corner of the Canva interface. Select Download and make sure to choose the MP4 file type to save your project as a video. This format will allow you to easily share your animation on social media or incorporate it into other digital projects. And that's it! You've now transformed a still photo into an engaging and animated work of art using Canva's intuitive tools. Keep experimenting with different images and animations to unlock even more creative possibilities.